Hey, I'm Dr. Jocelyn, your men's health advisor, and today we're diving into something most men completely overlook when it comes to intimacy. Most guys go straight for the obvious spots, breasts, clitoris, and then wonder why she doesn't experience that full body, spine tingling pleasure. Here's the truth: when you skip 6 other erogenous zones, you're basically leaving the best part on the table. And I promise, these zones aren't just theoretical, they're places women told me make a huge difference in real intimacy. Before we go further, take a moment to like this video, comment where you're watching from, and subscribe so you don't miss any of these life-changing insights. Let's start with zone number 1, the scalp. Now, this is subtle. Most men never think about it, but the scalp is packed with nerve endings, one of the most nerve-dense areas on the body. When you run your fingers slowly through her hair, gently scratch, or massage the nape of her neck, it sends tingles down her spine. Why does this work? Biologically, those nerves trigger endorphins and oxytocin, the hormones that create pleasure and bonding. Emotionally, it shows care and attention. She notices you're focused entirely on her comfort. Practically, it's easy. Fingertips, slow circles, small light pulls through her hair. Think of it like giving a relaxing head massage that doubles as arousal. Zone number 2, the neck. Most guys touch the neck, but not the right way. The neck is vulnerable, sensual, and incredibly responsive. Soft kisses, warm breath, gentle strokes around the entire neck, not just the front, can create a powerful response. Pay attention to her breath. If it catches or quickens, you're on the right track. The neck triggers trust and intimacy. She subconsciously feels safe and drawn to you when you handle this area with care. You can even try kissing the back of her neck gently. It conveys confidence and attentiveness without being aggressive. So far, we've activated her scalp and neck already. Her nervous system is engaged, her body responding, her mind present, and we're only just getting started. Zone number 3, the ears. This one is polarizing. Some women love gentle kisses or whispers near the ear. Others are ticklish. Here's the key: listen and read her signals. Whisper something affectionate like, "I've been thinking about being close to you all day," or "I want to take my time with you tonight." Combine words with gentle kisses or warm breath. Biologically, ears are sensitive because they're loaded with nerve endings, and combining touch and sound creates layered stimulation. Emotionally, it deepens intimacy. Practically, it takes just a few minutes, but builds anticipation incredibly effectively. Before we move to zone 4, the lower back. This area often gets overlooked, but it's packed with nerve endings. A hand resting there, gentle pressure, or soft kisses can open her up to deeper connection. Biologically, this stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping her relax and enjoy the moment. Emotionally, it communicates support and attentiveness. Practically, you can touch this while guiding her or during simple moments, like passing by. Anticipation builds naturally. By now, her body is already responding, and you're creating layers of pleasure before even touching the areas men usually rush to. Zone number 5, the inner thighs. Think of them as a pathway to deeper intimacy. Gentle touches, kisses, or soft fabrics stimulate a response slowly, naturally preparing her body. Don't rush. Time spent here is about anticipation and connection. Biologically, inner thighs are full of nerve endings that heighten arousal when approached patiently. Emotionally, it makes her feel cherished and noticed. Practically, you can alternate legs, use your hands and lips, and build layered tension before moving to more obvious zones. Zone 6, breasts and nipples. Yes, obvious, but often done wrong. The key is variation: hands, lips, gentle pressure, even temperature contrast. Sensitivity changes based on her mood, cycle, and stress. Pay attention. Start with light touches, move gradually, and notice how her body responds. Switching between inner thighs and breasts creates unpredictability. Her anticipation stays high. By this stage, she's fully engaged. Her body and mind are aligned. You're not just stimulating, you're creating a journey of layered pleasure. Zone number 7, the clitoris. Here's where all the previous zones make a difference. The clitoris has over 8,000 nerve endings and is extremely responsive. But here's the secret: if you rush, it can be overwhelming. Instead, start with gentle surrounding touches, then move gradually to direct stimulation. Combine it with support on her lower back, touches on breasts, or even a hand on her neck. You're engaging multiple zones simultaneously, which triggers a full body response. Her nervous system is primed, and the result? Not just localized pleasure, but an intense, unforgettable experience she'll remember long after. Biologically, this multi-zone approach engages the central nervous system and floods the body with pleasure hormones. Emotionally, it deepens connection, trust, and intimacy. Practically, pacing, reading signals, and consistent rhythm are what make this work. Here's how to combine all 7 zones tonight. Scalp, 3 to 5 minutes. Slow circles, gentle pulling. Neck, 3 to 4 minutes. Soft kisses and warm breath. Ears, whisper, kiss, gauge response. Lower back, supportive hand placement, gentle kisses. Inner thighs, alternate legs, build anticipation, 5 to 7 minutes. Breasts and nipples, gentle touch. Variation, alternate with thighs. Clitoris, slow, mindful stimulation. Combine zones for full body effect. Take your time. Most of this journey should be about 30 to 40 minutes before focusing on the most sensitive areas. Think of it like building a crescendo, slow, intentional, connected. Remember, consistency matters. Many men change techniques too quickly when she's most engaged. Stay steady. Your attention to her body, signals, and comfort is what transforms good intimacy into unforgettable intimacy. After climax, don't stop abruptly. Transition gradually. Clitoris, inner thighs, lower back, gentle strokes, and caresses. This helps her integrate the experience and reinforces your attentiveness. The reality is simple. You can keep approaching intimacy the old way, breasts and clitoris first, and wonder why she isn't fully responsive. Or you can treat her entire body with thoughtful attention, layering sensation from scalp to toes. Small changes create massive results. This approach is about connection, patience, and presence, not complexity. Every touch communicates care, every pause builds anticipation, and every signal you notice deepens intimacy. If you want to avoid mistakes that reduce her pleasure, download my free guide, 10 Oral Intimacy Mistakes Most Men Make. The link is below. Start tonight. Finally, subscribe to the channel and comment below which zone are you most excited to explore first. I read every comment, and your willingness to pay attention makes all the difference. Remember, age is not the end of vitality. Thoughtful attention, curiosity, and connection create experiences that she will never forget, and you won't either. You can transform your intimacy starting tonight, one zone at a time. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. You deserve this.